Hi everyone! Today I want to talk about LINQ in C#. Many developers use LINQ every day, but most of them only use where or select. LINQ is not just a method, it's a different way of thinking about data. If you still write long foreach loops to filter and transform collection, this video will change how you write C# code. Let's start. So, before LINQ, we usually wrote code like this. So you create a foreach of user, and in this foreach you add the condition to verify if the age is major than 18. This works. You start adding nested loops, conditions, temporary variables, but when the logic becomes more complex, the code becomes harder to read. And after 6 months, it becomes difficult to understand. With LINQ, you think differently. Instead of writing instructions step by step, you describe what you want, for example. So, look at this code. You can read like a sentence. Take the user, filter adults, order them by name, and select their name. This is very powerful. It's expressive, readable, and composable. So in LINQ you have many core operations, and let me show you the most important ones. So you have where for filtering, so you can use where when you want to filter data. There is select to transforms data. You don't need the whole object, you only need part of it. Sorting is very clean, and you can chain everything together. I want to explain maybe a simple concept that is called deferred execution. Let me explain something many developers don't fully understand. LINQ uses deferred execution. This means the query is not executed immediately. It runs only when you enumerate it. So, for example, this example with adults, at this moment nothing happened. The query ran when you do toList or when you loop over it. This is important for performance. So, why LINQ matters? So, LINQ improves readability, maintainability, and it must be used very carefully. Sometimes a simple loop is cleaner. Good developers don't just use LINQ, they understand when to use it. So, in this example, I created a simple list of students. Each student has a name, an age, and a grade. So, we have a small dataset that we can use to demonstrate different LINQ operations. First, we use any to validate the data. I'm checking if there are any student under 18. Any is useful when you just need a yes or no answer. Then I filter only students using where. Now I only work with students who are 18 or older. After that, I sort them by grade in descending order, so the best students appear first. Then I extract only their names using select. Next, I safely retrieve the top student using first or default. This is safe because it avoids exception if the list is empty. And finally, I use count to calculate how many students have a grade greater than or equal to 25. If this video was helpful to you, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel.